This video will show how to prepare the cone for CPT testing and overall recommendations. 4 best protections: store the cone in the transport case. Make sure that the probe is straight and not bent. Roll it along the table. If it's bent, our recommendation is to send it back to NV for maintenance. Contact areas, threads, and sockets shall be clean. The point chamber shall be cleaned before the test. All grease and dirt must be removed. Use compressed air and pipe cleaners. It's important to clean the slot. Look for damaged areas. They must be adjusted. Use a fine file. The distance between the point and the slot shall be 0.3 mm wide. Mount the slot on the point. Fill the chamber with grease. Start at the bottom. Make sure that grease comes out in the entire slot. Pull the yarn up slowly. Fill the whole cavity. Overflow the chamber. Wipe off the excess grease. Form a small mound on the top of the point. Release the friction sleeve 20 mm. Remove all dirt. Make sure all O-rings are intact. Remove the friction sleeve completely. Check all the O-rings and replace if necessary. You also have to check the friction wedges that they are in place and can be moved from side to side. Lubricate if necessary. Be careful with the wedges. If you lose one, you have to order 2 new ones. The wedges are measured against each other to get as little uneven load as possible in the measurement. Replace the friction sleeve in its position. It should be easy to turn. If it's stuck, then it may be damaged and should be replaced with a new one. It's important to clean the chamber carefully. Fill up with oil to the beveled edge of the chamber. Make sure all air bubbles in the oil are removed. These will affect the quality of the test. Take a point. Tilt it over the pore pressure chamber. Assemble it carefully together with the probe. Wiggle the point to get the last air bubbles out of the chamber. Finally, tighten the point gently using a tongue and groove plier or a similar tool. Put 1 O-ring on the upper side of the friction sleeve and 2 O-rings just behind the tip. The probe is now ready for testing and can be stored for several hours without being influenced by the surrounding environments. We recommend that you use NV grease and oil to gain the highest measurement quality as possible. For more information, please visit our website or get in touch.